is Napiers Bones, a multiplication calculator. This was invented by John Napier. It was used in ancient time for multiplication calculations. Let's see how to solve the problems using this. First question is 124 into 4. Only the 1, 2 and 4 bones place here. Then look at the fourth position and draw the column here. Then write it. Then write 6 here. Then we can add 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Then 4 plus 0 equal to 4. Then 0 has no value, so vomit it. So this is the answer. Then the second question is 263 into 7. Only the 2, 6 and 3 bones place here and arrange it well. Then the 7th position right here. Then add. Write 1 here. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Then write 1. This is the answer. Then the question number 3. 467 into 9. Write 3 here. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. 0 put here. 1 is balance. 6 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 12. 2 put here. 1 is balance. Then 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So this is the answer. Next question is 523 into 53. Firstly, we can take 523 into 3. Write the third position here. Then add. We got 1569 right here. Then 523 into 5. Then add. We got 2615 right here. Write like this and add. Then the answer will be 27719. Keep practicing to perform well. Thank you for watching the video. See you again. Bye-bye.